guys, today I'm going to be making slime again. So, all you need is some glue, baking soda, and contact solution. So I already have all mine right here, besides. So all you need is a bowl to mix in, a spoon to mix in, glue, baking soda, and contact solution, and chlorine if you want to. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be adding my glue. This is a little bit less, so I'll come back when I get the glue. So I just put it a little water just to get it a little bit easier. And now I'm gonna add my baking soda. I don't know how this is going to be working because I just added. I just added the water, so. And a little bit of it, just because if you add it way too much, it will be overactivated. So this is much better. You will not add that oil because I added the water. So add in the contact solution just a little at a time. It's still working. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. Let's add more. It is activated with the water, which are moving bright. We got the slime. Oh no, I added way too much contact solution. Oh my goodness, it's overactivated. Oh no, I added way too much baking soda and contact solution. It rips. See? It won't stretch. This is such a bad slime. Oh no. Oh no, it's so bad. I don't have another glue. So, bye.